Hello, I am Sanjay, roll number 21NA30015, section 9. This is my DIY assignment 2 project in which I have created the ITKGP rover which can move automatically by sensing the obstacle around it without any manual control. If there is obstacle in front, it will move back. If there is obstacle in right, it will move left. If there is obstacle in front and right, it will move the direction opposite to it. It means it will move back left direction. In which, if there is a obstacle here and here, then it will move in this direction. It will go this direction. For this, I have used four ultrasonic sensors which I have connected to analog pin A0, A1, A2, A3 and the 4 DC motor which I have connected to the pin D2, D3, D4, D5 and I have used this relay to change the direction of motor for clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. To change that, I have used this DPDT double port double throw relay for that. This is my front side of rover, this is back, right and this is left. Let's understand how the rover will move. If we want to move forward, then the tire in the left side should be run in anti-clockwise, and the tire in the left side should run anti-clockwise. In the both tire in the right side it should run clockwise. If we move right, then the tire on the above both should run anti-clockwise. In the both below tire should run clockwise. If we want to go in directional front right direction, then the top left right uh, top left tire, this tire should be run anti-clockwise and this tire should be run clockwise and this both tire should be in the stationary. And remember that the tire I am saying it is the omnidirectional tire. This is a 6 and there is a more two possible way: front, back, left, right, top right, bottom left, and that is top left and bottom right. These two more direction is a possible in which rover can move. The possible way of obstacle. It means the in how many ways there can be obstacle around the rover. There is a foresee one. It means there may be obstacle only in one side, that is or back or front or left or right. It can be that there is obstacle two sides simultaneously, back and right, back and front, back and left, and these six possible way. There can be possible that the obstacles are on the three sides simultaneously, back, right, front, back, right, left, and these four possible way. And there can be a possibility that all the four sides of the rover is obstacle in all the four sides. The logic I have used in the coding is this I have shown. I have used the if-else ladder to in the block to use this logic. For that, I have decided the safe distance SD, which is for this I have decided 50 centimeter. It means if there is an obstacle uh, uh, at less than 50 centimeter near the ultrasonic sensor, then it will be, if there is anything near the ultrasonic sensor less than 50 centimeter, then it will be considered as obstacle. If there is a thing which is far than 50 centimeter, then it cannot be considered as a obstacle. So let's consider in the back side. Back side means I means that this ultrasonic. Backside means this ultrasonic sensor. Front side means this ultrasonic sensor. Right means this ultrasonic sensor, and left means this ultrasonic sensor. Uh, by this logic, let's say there is a obstacle in back. So this condition will hold true. It means there is a ultrasonic sensor reading will be back ultrasonic sensor reading will be less than 50. If this is true, this is check for the right. If this is true, it check for the front. If this is true, it check for the left. And if this is true, it means all the four sides are blocked. Then the rover cannot move any direction, so it will stop and rotate in the position where it is. Let's say back, right, and front side are blocked, but the sorry, back, right, and front side are blocked, but the left side is not blocked. So the back, right, front side are blocked, but the left is not blocked. So it will go in left. This way, this diagram can be understood for the all the possible way, which I have shown. Back there is a 16 possible way, 15 plus 1. So here is all the 16 possible way, in which the green line indicate that the condition is true and the red line indicate the condition is false. These are other possible condition. There is maybe that there is no obstacle. It means there is a no obstacle. Then it will go in the direction in which he was going earlier. Let now understand the circuit which I have made in the Tinkercad website, on the Tinkercad website. This is what I have explained earlier. There is a four motor and the four relay switch which are connected to this digital pin, and the four ultrasonic sensors which are connected the analog pin, and there is a 5-volt output in this circuit, and the ground which I use. This is a Arduino UNO, and this is a breadboard. Let look let look the code of this circuit. Logic I have explained before, which that logic I have used her by using if-else ladder. I have treated four variables: the back distance, front distance, left distance, right distance, and safe distance. It is clear from the variable that what is her use. Back distance measure the distance of obstacle or the anything, that is back distance measure take the reading of back ultrasonic sensor. Front distance take the reading of front ultrasonic sensor, and the safe distance, which we consider her as a 50 centimeter. If there is anything near the 50 centimeter, it will consider as an obstacle. If there is away from 50 centimeter, it will not consider as an obstacle. This is what the code I have uh, written here. Let's show how much it is possible. This is all the 16 possible case which I show in the PPT. Let's simulate the code and see how it's work. Let's first set all the distance greater than 50. This is 50, this is 50, this is greater than 50, and this is greater than 50. So all the distance is greater than 50. It means there is no obstacle uh, in the rover, well, around the rover. So it is showing no obstacle. Go on a long ride. So let's if there is obstacle in the front of the rover, then if there is obstacle in front, it should go back. It is showing go back. And from the diagram we seen here, to go back, the both left tire should be run in clockwise direction, and the both right tire should right motor should be run in anti-clockwise direction, which is can be seen from here. This both motor is running in anti-clockwise direction, this and this, while these both motors are running in clockwise direction. Let's consider the second case. Let's consider this case in which uh, the obstacle in the back and the left. So the rover should be go in the front right direction, which is this direction. For that, it can be seen from this figure that this tire should be run anti-clockwise direction, and this tire should be run clockwise direction, which can be seen from here that this is running anti-clockwise and this is running clockwise direction, and and this motor should be stationary for going front right direction. This is how this rover work using the ultrasonic sensor. If there is any, it moves automatically without any manual control by sensing the obstacle around this. Okay, this is my IIT KGP rover, which I made for DIY assignment 2. I wish college call us as possible as early so we can so I can make this physically also, not only virtually, and try that working. Thank you. I am Sanjay Mali, 21NA30015, Section 9.